think it's important that the country focuses on this pandemic. We keep on digressing. Whenever there is a critical issue on the table, we see people digressing and moving over to issues that are of less importance. We must save lives. That is the first thing. Save the people first, and then other things can come. We are not doing very well as a nation in terms of putting emphasis where we should. We are seeing so many losses, and we don't know. We may get statistics, but can you imagine those who may be perishing in the rural areas without people even realizing that it was COVID? And then the transmission can continue. So we are living in extremely difficult times, and I would really urge that we refocus, because we are, apart from what is happening now, we are also beginning to enter the festive season. That is the Christmas season. And clearly, if we do not put sufficient emphasis, even what we talk about schools opening in January, we could end up being in a very serious crisis. Because during this break, people might go into a celebration mood, and in the process, the crisis could worsen.